Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and having good time with your family. Today we are going to start our writing skills. ठीक है? So the first topic of that is email writing. Students, do you know what is email writing? Email writing is an email or else mail, an email or electronic mail. See, email, it means electronic mail. The full form of email is electronic mail. So an email or electronic mail is a system. It's a system which enable us to convey our ideas. ठीक है? our ideas हमें बतानी है या मैसेज फॉरवर्ड करना है या कोई डॉक्यूमेंट, ठीक है, we can share through the email. So it is known as one type of a message or one type of a communication. We can say कि हम through email we can communicate. So let me tell you about email. That we have from the computer devices like electronic devices we can send email, and to send email we need IDs. ठीक है? What type of ID? हमें घर का एड्रेस चाहिए लेटर की तरह? No, we need ID for that. Mail ID we require. So that mail ID we have to prepare from our Chrome, ठीक है, Safari. From them we can do that. So therefore that we need our mail ID of us and mail ID of the receiver. ठीक है, sender की and receiver की क्या चाहिए हमें? Mail ID चाहिए. So there are some tips and format that in that format you need to write the email writing, and email writing you need to write in that format and according to the tips. So let's do the format and tips of email writing. So students, there is one question in your mind, how to write email. So as I have told you that we are having format and tips also. So the first one, how to write it, start with to. From where we can start? To. ठीक है? In to what we can send? To में क्या होगा? एड्रेस लिखेंगे हम घर का? No, we can't. We will write the email address of the receiver. ठीक है? I am the sender. ठीक है, मैं ईमेल भेज रहा हूँ, so I am the sender and the who will receive the mail, that is the receiver. ठीक है? So to. So like I want to write here receiver's address, receiver's email ID or email address. ठीक है? अब from कहां से मिला है email address? So I have sent this. So sender's email address. ठीक है? To from, and then after it comes CC, but it is not compulsory. When we need to send email more than one person, like I want to send 4 to 5 people together, at that time CC will come, that is carbon copy. So if I will write other email IDs here, where I will write other email IDs here, to from CC if I want to send more than one person. ठीक है? Then it is not compulsory to be include CC in the format. Understood? Then after it will come subject. ठीक है? What will come in subject? Subject is always related to the topic. To whom it will be related? It is related to the topic, and always subject will be in brief. Brief, it means ऑलवेज सब्जेक्ट विल बी इन अ शॉर्ट वे, ठीक है। बहुत बड़ा नहीं लिखना है सब्जेक्ट को, छोटा सा एक ब्रीफ इंफॉर्मेशन दे देना है। रिलेटेड टू द कंटेंट, ठीक है। और क्लू देता हो, बताता हो कि दैट इज, इट मींस किसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं। देन नेक्स्ट इट विल कम no need to write complete sentence. It is not compulsory to write complete sentence in subject. You can give, I told you, you have to give in a brief way. बहुत छोटे तरीके से हमें उनको बताना है। So first is to, then after from, and then it comes subject. Next after this what will come? Salutation. After subject, salutation. So sir, what is salutation? So salutation is like we are respecting, like dear ma'am, sir and ma'am. And if you are writing email to some designated person, ठीक है, जिसका कोई पोस्ट है, ऐसे पर्सन को या ऐसे किसी को आप लिखते हो email, so you have to tell them respectfully. So what I will write? Respected sir and ma'am, ठीक है। जिनको आप नहीं जानते हो, ठीक है, यू कैन राइट डियर सर एंड मैम, जिनको आप जानते हो, जिनसे आप रेगुलरली कम्युनिकेट करते हो, बट द पर्सन whom you are not knowing, for them what we will write? Respected sir and ma'am. And to our family members, if we are writing email to our family members, so no need to write sir and ma'am. Directly you can take the name, like if you are writing email to your brother sister, directly you can take their name, ठीक है। father mother को तो dear father, dear mother, in this way dear father, mother, ठीक है। और किसी का नाम if you want to take, dear मुस्कान, ठीक है। So in this way you can write your salutation. What you can write? Salutation. Then after it will come opening statement. What comes in opening statement? See, in opening statement जैसे कि we are greeting, ठीक है, हम किसी को greet करते हैं, hello, how are you, I hope you all are fine and in pink of your health, ठीक है। In this way we are greeting. And the next one is thanks. Like first we will write for greetings, and greetings and pleasantry statement, ठीक है। And the next one is thanks. Why thanks first? As you know, someone has sent you the mail, ठीक है, like I have received your mail in this way, I'm thankful that you are doing this, you are doing that. So in this way we can write the opening statement. How will be the sentence of this? I have received your mail, ठीक है। I have received your mail. इस तरीके से we are thanking to that particular person. Understood? Then after the next will come, student, now let's come to the paragraph, ठीक है। We need to clear the concept that why we are writing this email. So the main concept will come in paragraph first main concept, ठीक है. And let me tell you one thing, don't use SMS language. Students, never ever use SMS language. C for sorry, what we are writing SRY, ठीक है. But the spelling is SORRY. For thank you, TY, we can't use the SMS languages in email writing, ठीक है. Next, after don't use bold alphabets. हमें क्या नहीं यूज करना है? बोल्ड अल्फाबेट्स हमें यूज करने नहीं है. इट शुड बी इन अ प्रॉपर मैनर विथ प्रॉपर टेंसेस, ठीक है, प्रॉपर वोकेबुलरी के साथ आपका पैराग्राफ होना चाहिए. सो व्हाई इट शुड बी इन अ प्रॉपर वे? बिकॉज the whatever you want to communicate, the person will understand it properly. So it should be proper, ठीक है. Then next comes complementary and. In that also, what we are saying, which words we are using? Regards, ठीक है, warm regards, thanks, understood? Regards, thanks, warm regards, this type of words we are using in complimentary and then after your name, ठीक है. Your name should be there, your signature should be there, understood? So as this is the format of email writing, so now I am writing one example for you how the email should be look like, ठीक है, कैसे दिखना चाहिए वो. It should be in a proper manner. So I am writing the format here for you, just see to it. Okay students, so now see here that to means to whom we are writing this mail. So this is the email which I have written. So let me introduce you that how we create the email ID. ठीक है, email ID होती कैसे है? So in this way, जैसे कि I need to send my father. So सुशील गुप्ता @gmail.com, ठीक है. सुशील गुप्ता 012 @gmail.com, and now my email ID will be there. So I am writing this from Gupta Meet 019 @yahoo.com, ठीक है. In this way I am writing. Then after subject, I told you that it is not compulsory to write whole sentence, ठीक है. So how we will write? I will write here sharing my happiness, ठीक है. Then after it starts from here, dear father, this is our salutation, ठीक है. Then after hello daddy, how are you? I hope you are fine and in pink of your health. So what we have written here? Greetings. What we have done? Greetings. Then after the main paragraph, you will be happy to know that I won the first prize in chess tournament, the child is telling to his father that he has won first prize in chess tournament, and who was the chief guest? Vishwanathan Anand, and Vishwanathan Anand gave first prize to that boy. ठीक है, he wants to convey that he has won the first prize. ठीक है, and just because of that he is sharing his happiness to his father. Now after that, pay my regards to mom and love to Shruti. As I told you, after main paragraph what will come? Regards. ठीक है, warm regards, thank you. So this is the regards that boy given that to mom and love to Shruti, and then after this complimentary and loving son and the name. ठीक है, so this is the proper way to write the email. As you will write email in the same format which I have taught you, you will score full marks in format. ठीक है, so I hope you all have understood this concept very clearly. ठीक है, bye bye, take care, stay at home, stay safe.